Once upon a time, in the royal kitchens of Murshidabad, humble chef created a dish so rich, so aromatic that even the Nawab paused after the first bite.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm Chef Surojit, once again come back. The dish traces back Mughlai era, especially during the time of Nawab of Abod or of the in Lucknow and Nawab Murshidabad. When the royal cook migrated in Bengal of slow cooking meat rich and marinated and ghee based gravy. Yes, this is the Kolkata's Mutton Chaap, very fascinating and very delicious and touch about the every people's emotions. This is the food of very fascinating in Bengali history, the story of royal kitchen and the local taste and essence of here it.
When the royal cooks traveled from Lucknow to Bengal, they brought with them the secret of slow cooking and luxury of spice. And here in Kolkata, the recipe took a new identity, mutton chap, a Nawabi dish with a Bengali soul. Every spoon of marinade tells a story of rich cashew and poppy seed paste, of fragrant kaura and rose water, of yogurt that softens and ghee that brings it all to life. In colonial Calcutta, this royal Mughlai dish developed with Bengali influences, less oily, slightly sweeter, and more aromatic. The mutton chap became a signature of Royal India, Aminia, and Shiraz Golden Restaurant. The mutton rests in the pan, the masala hugs each ribs like velvet. No rush, no fire, just patience and passion. This is not just food, it's legacy from the royal kitchens to the streets of Kolkata, from Nawabi luxury to our Bengali hearts.